'Tis the season! Today I'm making a fun Halloween appetizer. It starts with these fresh mozzarella balls that are, it's pronounced something like ciliegine. I don't know, I'm probably butchering that. Anyway, you drain them. And we'll drain those a little and set them aside. Then grab our molds. So these are 3D molds that you can buy. They're meant to be used to make 3D ice cubes. They have a top and a bottom. You have a little funnel that you pour water through in order to make ice cubes, but we're not making that. So we don't need the funnel, we don't need the top part, we simply need the bottom mold. One set comes with 2 of these, and I prep them by putting a little bit of oil in, and then I set them on a tray. These are actually 2 sets. I bought an extra set because I like doing this so much that I wanted to make a double batch at a time. Then I take each one of those ciliegine balls and fill up the molds. We're going to bake these for 6 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. What that does is soften up the mozzarella and make it more pliable. This is after they have baked. You can see they're still basically the same shape. And now I take a folded up paper towel and press very firmly on each one of these. That forces the soft mozzarella into the shape of the mold. And the paper towel also absorbs all of the liquid that gets expressed. Then I put them all just on a plate to put in the fridge, and I'll cool them for 5 to 10 minutes. After they've cooled down, it's so easy. They just pop right out of these molds, and you have these perfect little skulls with that detail on the face. They're absolutely marvelous. There's a lot you can do with these. You can make an entire bowl of Caprese salad and just dress it all with a balsamic dressing. I am choosing to take the same ingredients and I make them into little skewers for an appetizer type presentation. And the way I do that is take a bamboo pick. First start with the skull, thread that through. Then I like to fold up a nice fresh piece of basil and 1 cherry tomato. Just thread that right through with the bamboo skewer and you have a perfect little appetizer. The final piece to this that you'll see in a minute is use some balsamic. Again, you can have balsamic glaze that you serve on the side for people to dip themselves. I also like the look if you just brush them a little bit with some straight balsamic vinegar. It gives it a nice and creepy look. I hope you try these because they are guaranteed to be the hit of your next Halloween party. Enjoy.